Let me shuffle this. It's a random shuffle.
Which method is this?
This is the beginner method.
Is this cube good?
Yeah, it's really very smooth.
What is this cube called?
Grand cube.
We are almost getting it solved.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Let me try once again.
Okay, let's do it. Again, you are reshuffling it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any formula to shuffle or it's random?
It's a random shuffle. There is no algorithm I am using.
Okay.
There is no particular pattern I am shuffling.
Okay.
Let me reset this.
Okay. How do you do that? Reset?
Just have to click this button. It will
Can you show
reset.
that button?
Yeah, this button. See,
Just lift it?
timer start. You
Oh,
want to
yes.
stop it, it will stop.
Okay.
And if you want to reset this button, you have to reset.
Uh,
This you can't see because it is
oh,
written in
yes.
black.
Yes.
See, now it is
Oh, yes.
set to 0.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the first cube. Then I'll solve it.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Meanwhile, I'll show the time. Oh. Okay, make it fast. Oh, cool. This time you're faster.
Yeah.
Very good.